Hi guys, namaste, hello all divine energies. Okay, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. We have two options in front of us, and today's topic is how they think of your social media, like what they think when they watch your social media. Okay, what's their impression on you, and what's the energy or how they feel. We will see whatever I can see in cards. So we have two options in front of us, but before that, please remember this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, and private reading, you can check the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Okay, I have mentioned the link in the description box below. And today we will see charms also, and smiley messages also, so like how they feel. So we will pull out some smileys from this. Okay, how they feel. So we will pull out some smileys, and we will pull out also some charms. Okay, and we will see if any love scroll or love message is needed. Already I have kept handwritten message, but we will see if this love messages are required, then we'll pull out those also. So we will let's start with your reading. We have option number 1, this green spinner, fidget spinner. Okay, option number 1 green. Option number 2 is this pink spinner, fidget spinner, spin, whatever you call. Okay, option number 2. So I hope they don't spin around like this when they see your social media. Let's see, option number 1, option number 2. You can watch both pile. Okay, most of the time it happens like two piles are connected and two options are connected, so that so not necessarily you need to only pick one. No, you can watch whole video. Okay, but rather than that, you can choose one option also. So yeah, we will start with this spinner, with this fidget spin. So what they think of your social media. Okay, option number 1, we will keep this aside. So this is the message, handwritten message. We'll keep out in the we'll check in the end. So what they think of your social media. Oh ooh 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 oh my god, Knight of Cups. First and foremost, what they think of your social media, they see you like a star, or I don't know, I mean to say, they see you whether you are a celebrity or not, whether you are a famous person or not, how much follower you have or you don't have, or you have more followers or less followers or whatever. So first of all, they see you like a star. This is the major arcana star, which is telling me that you are the star. Okay, for them you are the star. That is what their first impression from watching your pictures on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever. So you are the star. Okay, second thing is that they see you also that you are theirs only, and they don't like when someone else likes your pictures, especially when they are worried also at night sometimes, when someone like your pictures, or when you post some pictures with your male friends or female friends, or those sort of vibes I'm getting. They get worried also sometimes, that first of all, they see you as a star, so you are not reachable. So, okay, so they see you in high regards. It means to, like, how can you love them, or how can you show interest in them. They want to offer you a love offer, and they will come towards you, definitely, I can sense that. But they have a lot of anxiety and worries. They don't show you if you are in a relationship or not, I don't know, but they don't show you their anxiety, that they are late night awake and they watch your social media, or else they think, or like if someone has liked your pictures, so they are not liking it. I'm saying in the sense that they are just bit, they have insecurity and bit jealousy and possessiveness also, because they see you as their lover. Okay, and they also see you that you have a lot of options through your social media. They can sense that this male person has liked your picture. Same goes for if you are men watching, same goes for this man, your person, female. Okay, so yeah, so they think, yeah, this person has liked your picture, who is this, and what's his background, and all that stuff they will check. Okay. And they will also see you like as wife material, and basically they want to have a baby with you. That is what I am feeling. They also see you like you are single and dating others, and you are enjoying your life, you are roaming around, you are going there, and you are going this place at that place, and they want to be with you, and they want you to take to some other places. They don't want you to go alone, or they don't want you to go with your friends or with anybody else. They want you to come with them, to go with them. Those sort of vibes I'm getting. So they see you as a star, you are a famous person, and also they see you can create anything you want. You through your social media, they see you like you can get any person you want, you can create anything you want, whether wealth or new person, or you can have it anyone you want. They also have decided, and they want to come towards you, and they will come towards you, and they will give you love offer. Okay. Because they have a lot of insecurities. They don't like to see you with another guys or another friends of yours. Signs I'll tell you. This can be your or your person's sign. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, definitely strong Libra and Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini. Gemini strongly, Aquarius sign strongly, Libra strongly, Aries strongly. Okay. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Also Taurus is there. Almost every sign is there, but most energy I am getting of Aries, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay. Also they see you as that you guys have guys have strong past life soulmate connection, and they will love you till the end of their life, and they have loved you in past lives also, and those sort of vibes I am getting. So I am getting, maybe this is your past person, or can be your ex, but they definitely they watch your social media, they do watch you. They might be want to travel towards you when they see you putting your pictures on social media or videos. I don't know, when they see you happy, lot many people likes your picture or post or anything you post on social media, like you post on like memes or quotes or your pictures, your own self, your videos, whatever. Then whenever you post your pictures, they feel like they want to rush towards you, they want to come towards you, and they have decided they will come towards you. For some of you, they might be not in the same country or same city or same state where you live, so they want to come, but something is whether their thoughts, they are thinking how to come, and to come to sort of something is stopping them, might be a lockdown or some other situation, but they definitely look at your social media, but they don't want to show you, they don't want to tell you that they don't want you to be aware that they look at your social media very secretly. They watch your social media, and for some of you, if this is your ex and you are in a relationship, then they watch your social media, and they still feel like you are only theirs, and they have taken some decision. They will come towards you, and they will meet you, they will travel towards you, and they will come towards you, and they will give you a love offer. And whenever you post, they feel like, I'll just go and run towards her, and I'll just grab her and kiss her, and let her know that you are mine. Don't post such pictures on social media. Those sort of vibes I am getting. Also, this person, whenever you if you post something beautiful, like you wear certain clothes, even you post a picture in a normal jeans and top, this person feel a lot of attraction, sexual attraction towards you. That is also what I am feeling. Let's pull out this message. You inspired me a lot. I love your looks, I love your speech, I love your style. I want to grow old together with you. I love your hair, I love your body shape, I love your heart, lips, and I love everything about you. See, I have told you in starting only, they see you as like this, a star, so they love everything about you. And I've already told you that, like, they notice each and every detail, who has liked your picture and what you are wearing, and you know where you are going, and you know that gives them anxiety and insecurity bit as well. So and also you inspire them because you like a star, you are like a famous person, you can be a celebrity or famous person. So you inspired me, even if you are not, but you inspired your person. So that is what they are saying, you inspired me. They love your looks, physical looks, as well as your inner beauty. And also they are physically attracted towards you. So sometimes when you post such pictures, they want to come towards you and they want to give you a hug, and they just want to kiss you, and they grab you and just want to say that, you know, you are just mine. And they love your looks, they love your speech, the way you speak. Maybe you posting a lot of videos on social media, so they watch that also, and they love your speech, and they love your style, and I want to grow old together with you. And they just don't have any physical, only physical attraction. They feel like you are their soulmate, past life connection, and you guys are meant to be together, and you have been in many past life together, and whatever they just want to give you love offer as well. So they want to grow old together with you, not just physical attraction but love also. So they love your hair, they love your body shape, they love your heart, they love your lips. See, inner beauty and outer beauty, say they see you like this, okay? And you know, they love your body shape, they love your lips, they love everything about your hair, everything about you. So that is the message for you. Let's see currently how they feel. We'll pull out one smiley. So see, wow, when they see you, they feel like starstruck, okay? And they feel a lot of love. I don't know this is the right example to give, but if you have a puppy at your home, you have a pet, and when you come from outside to your home, and your pet looks at you like, you know, those puppy eyes, those sort of vibes there I'm getting from this smiley. So they blush, they feel starstruck. Also they want to call you, and also they want to be with you and have fun with you. They also have sense of humor, and they know you also have a good sense of humor. So a lot of fun and playful vibe also I'm getting from this person, current energy, okay? I will pull out some few charms only, okay? Not so many charms, few charms only. Okay, so how they see as your social media. So you put lot of music, either you are a musician or a singer. If not, you put lot of music in your videos, or I don't know, on Instagram, in your stories. So they love those sort of music stories. They think you are very strong, you know, full of wealth, abundant lady, okay? They see you as like your intuition and your crown chakra is strong, so your intuition is strong. So they see you as like, oh my god. See, for some of you, they see you as their half soul. What's that word? Better half, you know, twin flame. Those sort of vibe they get from you, okay? Initial D, okay? Also I feel like they want to protect you also from, because they don't like when someone likes your pictures, people and another guys are around you, flirt with you. They don't like, although when they are your male friends and they just like your pictures, they don't like it. They just want to protect you. They just want you to feel safe in their arms, okay? They want to create a baby with you. I'm telling you, this person wants to grow old with you. They see you as a husband wife material. They feel physical attraction and emotional attraction as well. So yeah, see, this person wants to, whenever you post any pictures, whether it is just a post, they want to rush towards you and come towards you, okay? And they want to take you and get married to you. Those sort of vibes I am getting from this. So I have taken smileys, charms. Also let me pull out one message charm. See, I love you. So your person is saying I love you. Wow, see, they blush also sometimes when they see you very beautiful, okay? And they also want to see you For some of you, I don't know this I have to say on YouTube or not, but they want to see you naked. Okay, they blush. Okay, they have a lot of love feelings, pure puppy love, teenager type of love I am feeling. But they don't show it, so that's what the immaturity I can sense. Even while they are in emperor energy, so bit egoistic and energy I am feeling, they don't want you to know that they look at your pictures and social media. Also I'm getting somewhat immature vibe, because they don't express themselves. But I can see they can't resist you anymore. If you are in no contact, in no touch with this person, they can't resist you. They will say I love you to you, and they see you as this star, and they feel starstruck and lot of blush. They'll blush also, and lot of emotions comes in their heart, and they smile also. So this is what I feel they feel when they watch your social media. From this charms I'm feeling that, and they definitely want growth with you. So this is what I feel for you, pile 1. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know. Hope to see you in my next video. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye bye guys. Hi pile 2, what your person think of your social media? Those who have chose this pink fidget spinner, let's see if their head gets spin or not. Let's see when they watch your social media. Let's see. Okay, big major arcana, big cards are coming. Oh my god. Oh my god, Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. So some of you, I can sense that you have watched pile 1 as well. You might have watched both pile. If not, if you are attracted to, then you can watch it. Okay, because in that also I have got some sort of divine twin flame soulmate, higher level soulmate vibe. And in this pile also I am getting Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles counterpart vibe. So in what your person thinks of your this message we will see in the end. What your person thinks of your social media. So definitely, first of all, they do stalk you. They want to talk to you. That is the feeling I am getting. And this is the person with whom you have an ending, some sort of ending, whether you have walked away or whether they have walked away. But one karmic cycle has been ended, okay, with you. So this relationship has been ended. For some of you, you have met on internet or on some sort of dating sites, or you have met on social media only. And for some of you, you live in different countries. Okay, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, Taurus, strongly sign I am feeling. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is strongly over here. Leo also, Aquarius also. Although every sign is there, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but in fire sign I am only feeling Leo sign. Okay, 8 number might be touching you or your person. Okay, so what they think of your social media. First let me grab the energy. First, they do stalk you. They want to talk to you. Somebody over here has walked away from this relationship. Okay, and you might have a mutual friends also. For some of you, if you have blocked them, and if you are not in each other's list, and your list is your list is private, then this person is stalking you through your mutual friends, or through their friends, or through your friends, or some sort of mutual friends you have. If not, then this person is definitely stalking you by creating a fake profile of something like that. Okay, this person loves you still, and you love them still. You guys are a higher level soulmate counterpart with this King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. For some of you, if you are married to your person, and this is you are watching for your husband and wife. Okay, and you are stalking them, and or else you just want to know what they post on social media. You also have their password. For some of you, I am getting that, I don't know why. So what they feel about your social media. they get confused. For some of you only, this is the energy. They get confused sometimes. Like for example, if they have walked away from you, so and now they are stalking your social media, so now they get confused whether you miss them or not, whether you really have been in love with them or not, because the way you have been patient with them, and being strong person in this relationship, and you have a lot of strength, so they are now confused whether you love them or not. When they watch your social media, they get confused. If this person has walked away from you, then they get confused that you still love them or not, or why you are not chasing them, because you are strong personality, you are just standing firm over there, okay, and you are very calm personality also. For some of you I'm getting, and now they are not getting attention, and now they are confused whether you have loved them or not, so why you are not chasing them, those sort of vibe. But there is equal give and take and equal love, mutual love, okay, from your side also and from your person's side also. For some of you, your person have walked away because of caste reason or culture reason, different country, different status, or some sort of culture, caste, religion vibe I'm getting. They have walked away from you, and they might got married to someone else. For some of you, I can sense that energy, or a lot of, or else bit a third party or third person influence I'm getting, whether their friends has influenced them, or they have chose third party over you. That can be work, money, status, caste, friends, anyone, okay. There's those sort of energy I'm getting, but you still love them, they still love you, that is for sure, with this Two of Cups, okay. So they see you as their world. Definitely they see you as their world, but they get confused sometimes, a bit, okay, that they have walked away and this relationship has ended. Then why you are not chasing them, why you are so strong, why you do still love them or not, those sort of vibe. Or have you got someone else, or have you got married to someone else? If you have walked away, then they feel like if you have got married to someone else, and you might be putting pictures with somebody else, whether you are in a committed relationship, whether you are posting pictures with your husband, wife, or with your dating partner. Even if you are posting pictures with your friends, they will be like you are dating someone else, you have got married, and those sort of vibe also I am getting from some of you. And also you put lot of pictures of your friends, and they see you they feel like they still love you whenever they see your pictures with your friends or with your partner or anyone. If you are even not dating or not dating, they feel like they still love you, and they see you as a strong personality, and they also see you as like you are very 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 come from a very wealthy background, or you have abundance, luck, those sort of vibe. And for some of you are living in another country, and they see you like you are enjoying in that country without them. Those sort of vibe I'm getting from this pile. Let me pull out this message. Maybe you are in no contact and no touch, not in touch or not in contact with this person. For most of you I'm getting that energy, okay. But please remember, this is a general reading, because this person is speaking less to you, or if you were in a relationship with this person, they speak very less. And also for some of you I can see your friends also stalk your social media, for some of you. And for some of you, your past person is stalking your social media, and they have two choices, and they are confused whether to choose you or whether to choose that person, or whether to choose you or whether to choose their career, whether to choose you or whether to choose their friends, or those sort of, whether to choose you or whether to choose their caste, culture, religion, all that stuff. They are confused, bit confused. So that is why they stalk your social media, because they wants to take decision but they are not able to. Those sort of vibe I'm getting. Let's see the message. Please forgive me for my mistakes and my childish behavior, but I know you still love me and you will always take me back. Honey, I love to fight with you. Mwah. So they are saying giving kiss to you, and they are saying definitely they have done something, either like I've said previously, for some of you they have chose someone else over you, the third party, third person's influence over here. They have walked away from you because of caste, culture, friends, money, status, religion issue, and they have chose someone else over you. But they know in somewhere in their heart they still love you, you still love them, but they are bit confused still. And for some of you, they have realized and they are asking for forgiveness for their mistakes, their childish behavior, because they have chose caste and culture over love. So they are saying, please forgive me for my mistakes and my childish behavior, but I know you still love me. So somewhere in their heart they know you still love them, but you are showing them. For some of you, you are trying to show off that you have moved on. So you are posting a lot of pictures with your friends or with your male friends, or just showing that you are dating someone else. You are just acting it out. But your person is saying, I know you still love me, and they also love you, and they know that you will take them back, whether it is the truth or not, but that's what they feel, that you will take them back. And they love to fight with you in a very positive way, okay, like patch up, fights and patch up and make up and all that stuff. I can sense that you guys are not in, for some of you, even if you have broken up with this person, or this person has walked away, if you are not in a relationship, this person have love feelings for you, and still they love you, and they think you love them, and they think you will guys get back together. This person might be was confused in past and was in and out in your life for some of you, and they know that you will always take them back. So, and they are coming back also for some of you, I'm telling you. Yeah, 2 cups, 3 cups, 8 cups. Yeah. So if they have chose caste and culture and religion and country and money and status over you, over love, then they are regretting, I'm telling, and they want new beginning with you. And there are chances with this world card, one cycle has ended, and there are chances new cycle will start, okay. New partnership, new romance is coming, whether you go with this person or new person, but for love, new starting, new beginning, love is coming, okay. So they see you, how they see you like very hippie vibe they get from your social media. They see you as very strong personality. They see you like you have very much good influence on others, okay. You love to travel, or you travel out of place, those sort of vibe they get from your social media. You enjoy a lot with your friends, and yeah, for some of you, they think you are a leader, whether you are a teacher, professor, or a spiritual leader, or a religious leader. For some of you, this is the energy they get from you. And for some of you, they think you come from a wealthy background, you travel a lot, you spend a lot of money, you are a stable person. Those sort of vibe they get from your social media. Let me pull out how currently, with this smileys, how currently they are feeling, okay, about you. So yeah, currently they are feeling, oh my god. So they are a bit sneaky right now, and they want to they secretly stalk you, and they want to have fun with you. And okay, they smile, they blush, and they feel like, oh my god, very different. I can feel you. There are 3 different energies over here, those who have picked this option. So 3 energies I'm getting. For some of you, they are blushing right now when they are watching your social media, or else their current feeling, they are blushing, they are smiling. And for some of you, they want to have fun, they are secretly, sneakily watching your social media. And for some of you, they show off a lot, and they want to show you that it's very cool, they don't care for you. But when they see your pictures on social media, or something you post on social media, they feel like you are a very cool person. For some of you, you post less pictures and more of sort of a positive motivational quotes, or you post a lot of things on different topics like environment, on all that stuff. So they find it very cool, and you influence others to be positive and to do something for the world, for humanity, for animals. You post a lot of those stuffs like for animals, save trees, all those stuff. So yeah, those sort of vibe I'm getting. Let's pull out one more message. So okay, so definitely they are saying this thing. Okay, 7 number, 8 number might be touching you or your person. They when they see you put your pictures, they feel like, you know, this. Okay, they see you as like a princess, a queen. Okay, they see you as their world, and they want to have a family with you, want to build a family with you. If they have done, especially if they have done some mistakes in past and you were in a relationship with this person, then they feel those sort of vibes, strong feelings for you with your social media. I know this reading is going bit over your relationship and your person's energy rather than social media, but few messages I'm getting from for social media as well. So let's pull out some charms. So see, they see you as like you have a lot of abundance, wealth from your social media. They feel like that, and you might have a pet, or you love animals, or you post sort of things on like save animals. So you know, do something for animals. Those sort of vibes they get from your social media. Initial for you, they think you earn a lot of money, whether you are doing online business. I can sense you have a social media page like where you earn from that. So they see you that like you have your own business. And definitely they now see you that someone has interfered in your connection, but angels are protecting you. Those sort of vibe they get. See, they love you still, and this is like a soulmate, higher level divine counterpart, twin flame sort of vibe I'm getting. Okay, you can go and watch pile 1 also, because in that I have received the queen, black queen, and over here a white king or queen. Okay, so yeah, see, they see your social media like you post a lot of positive quotes like and also you post motivational quotes, and you post like, you know, save trees, save animals. Those sort of vibe I'm getting you from your person, that they think of like this about your social media. And you earn also from social media. You have online business. Initials for you, V again, EV. See, you work related to you have work related to camera or communication. So camera, mic I am seeing. So definitely maybe you are a YouTuber or a social media influencer, or a like you work on something regarding camera or mic. So yeah, so they know you are a famous person. You can be a news anchor, news reporter, camera person, YouTuber, photographer, or something you do which you influence positively on others to protect environment, to protect animals, to save trees, save animals, do something for humanity. Those sort of vibes they get from your social media. Less photos you post and of yours, and more post about this environmental thing and all those stuff they get from you. So this is what they feel for your social media. I hope I have not confused you. And they also see your pet a lot many times, rather a dog, cat, but they see your pet a lot many times. You post a lot of pictures of your pet if you have, and they feel very good. Okay, and they see you very strong definitely, and they want to come back. That is what I'm feeling. And they see you are mature, more mature than them. That is also what they feel when you post a lot of things about, you know, big things like save environment, save animals. Very few young people post all this stuff, rather they are interested in movies, or rather they are interested in, you know, how I'm looking and makeup and all that stuff, or selling their products. But you people also earning online, but you people also have maturity to, you know, to protect environment, to work for humanity, to work for animals. So those sort of maturity they get from you, and they love it about you. And yeah, so this is what I feel for you. Your person is missing you badly, I can sense that. Yeah, they want to talk to you. Please talk to them once, even if they have cheated you or walked away, but just I would suggest you to just talk to them once if they try to contact you or call you. So this is what I feel for you. I hope you liked my liked your person's current energy, smiley and charm and messages, and my tarot reading style and handwritten messages. So please remember, this was a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Hope to see you in my next video. And like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye bye, guys.